Hi everybody, I'm back here at EMD Automotive at Terran Point. I'm just going to show you this video. That's pretty nice. This is a 996 AC control panel. So if you look at the actual display right there, it's damaged. So what I want to do, I'm going to repair this and then I'm going to refit it and see what happened. Because if you have a problem with your AC control panel, you can actually send it to me in Sydney, Australia, Terran Point, and I can repair it for you and send it back to your address. Nice and easy. So all you gotta do is take it out, pretty much take it out yourself. It's a bit dark here, but later. Yeah, just take it out. It sits just right there. That's your PCM. Sits here. Just take it out. And alright, I'm going to repair this first and I'll do another video part 2. See how I go.